Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good morning. Thank you for joining me this time around. So I'll be sharing on handover problems in a software agreement. So what does this mean? What handover? So once a software is done, it's been developed, a software developer wants to hand over to the client. So if it's an item, it's easier. You can see it. Okay, this is the item I'm handing over to you. There's no problems. But when it comes to software, there are some challenges and problems that you need to understand and ensure that those problems are attended to in the agreement. So, first potential problem is incomplete deliverables. So, missing source code. So, source code is something that is used to create the software. I'm not a technical expert, but that's what I know. So, source code is important for a client to maintain and modify the software. So without the source code, a client cannot maintain and modify the software. So for a client, you want to ensure that the source code is part of the deliverables to you. Second is poor documentation. That means the manuals, guides are difficulties understanding how to use, maintain, and troubleshoot. So this documentation includes manuals, guides on how to use the software. So poor documentation leads to difficulties understanding how to use, maintain, and troubleshoot. Next is lack of training. So not all of us are software technical experts. So ensure that training is part of the agreement, whether you're a developer or whether you're a client. This is really important. For a developer, you need to put it in. If not, the client will request and it's not part of the costing. So usually how I do trainings, I will usually put a certain amount of hours. So let's say 8 hours or 2 hours per month, for example. So the hours must be clear so that the client will be able to fully utilize the software and it doesn't lead to efficiencies or errors. So those are some of the issues and struggles of a handover problems in a software agreement. So if you have any questions, please contact us, email, or leave a message in social media. So thank you very much.